Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ConvertKit Forms embed code, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ConvertKit Forms embed code, first, log in to your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the landing page or website where the embed code is located. Access the specific page or section where you added the ConvertKit form. Locate the embed code within the HTML of your website. If you are using a website builder, open the code editor or HTML section. Find the code snippet that starts with script and ends with /script. Highlight the entire embed code block. Delete the selected embed code from the HTML. Save your changes in the code editor. Preview your website to ensure the form has been successfully removed. For WordPress users, go to the page or post where the form was embedded. Switch to the text or HTML view of the editor. Search for the ConvertKit embed code, generally indicated by the script tag. Remove the entire code snippet. Update or publish the changes. Check the live page to confirm that the form is no longer visible. For Wix users, access the editor of your site. Find the section containing the ConvertKit form. Click on the form and select the option to delete. Confirm the action if prompted. Publish your changes to see the update on your live site. If you have used any third-party plugins, disable or uninstall the plugin associated with ConvertKit forms. Verify that all remnants of the form have been removed across your website. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled the ConvertKit forms embed code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.